Forget retinoids. Essential vitamins, minerals, and proteins are the unsung heroes of gorgeous, youthful skin. They drive collagen production, cellular repair, and skin barrier integrity. That's in addition to being really good for your overall health. Your dermatologist is absolutely missing the mark by focusing on topical skincare, retinoids, all these aggressive treatments, and forgetting that vitality begins from within. So save this video because you're gonna need it later and share it with someone you care about. If you're new here, welcome to the longevity series. My name is Nadia Ben-Shakroun, your guide to better skin naturally from the inside out and the outside in. Each video in this series builds on foundational principles based on functional beauty, a term I coined, which helps you understand the integral connection between what your skin does and your lifestyle, diet, and supplementation. If you haven't seen other videos in this series, I suggest you start with them. The collagen one is eye-opening. I'll start explaining the vitamins and minerals that I have seen make a huge difference in my clients' skin, and then I'll get to some recommendations. I will also share a discount code with you and how to get my supplement guide for ingredients that you should be avoiding in your supplements. Let's begin with the powerhouse, and that is vitamin C. Sounds simple, but we absolutely need it to synthesize collagen. With vitamin C, your body can take amino acids such as proline and convert them into your own new, fresh, dense collagen. So prioritize foods like bell peppers, strawberries, oranges, kiwis. A lot of vegetables and fruits have vitamin C as long as they're not cooked. Vitamin C dissipates very quickly with heat. You also lose lots of vitamin C if you're a smoker. Your body becomes depleted completely, and so that is why a lot of smokers age much faster than the rest of us, because they're just tapping into those reserves. You also tap into your vitamin C reserves when you're under lots of stress, if you're lacking sleep. That's why very often if you have the flu or cold, you are advised to take vitamin C, because that stress that the body experiences makes your vitamin C requirement much higher. So just little food for thought there. Think about your lifestyle, and that could determine how much supplementation of vitamin C you get. Getting us to supplementation, I love a vitamin C that is made with natural ingredients, not ascorbic acid. Also one that has probiotics. Anything that is fermented or that has probiotics can have better absorption and assimilation into our bloodstream and our cells, and hence we get that optimized collagen production. Fat-soluble vitamins such as vitamin A, D, and K are equally integral to good skin. For vitamin A, think carrots, anything orange actually, that has beta carotene. You have provitamin A in greens, green vegetables like kale and spinach. Although we want to consume those in moderation because of the oxalates, we also want to steam them. They have to be cooked to reduce that impact on the kidneys. Next is egg yolks, cod liver oil, and of course just pure grass-fed, grass-finished liver. All of those are phenomenal supplements. I have good recommendations for you at the end of the video. I'll also link them up in the description below. The reason we want that vitamin A optimized but not overdone, because it's fat soluble, and I say that because anything that's fat soluble is going to be cytotoxic or cytotoxic, and that's toxic to your cells if done in excess. So we want just the right amount for cellular repair, skin regeneration, and healing. Vitamin A is also a very powerful antioxidant which will fend off those free radicals that attack our skin and age us. Next is vitamin D. Obviously, it can be synthesized from the sun. Of course, I'm going to do that, but a supplement that has vitamin D with K2, MK7, is integral to our health. Vitamin D is the foundation of immunity, so we cannot skip it. We can't be guessing. It's going to help with immune function as well as cellular repair, but that vitamin K is going to start driving that calcium, all that calcification that starts happening in our soft tissue. We want to keep the skin supple and our arteries clean of calcification. K takes all that calcium from the soft tissue into the bone where it belongs. Now let's talk about the most crucial minerals for your skin. Obviously, there are so many minerals. You have essential minerals and you have trace minerals, but the ones that are most crucial that really play a vital role in your collagen production are going to be copper silica, and I like to add zinc in there because it is soothing, calming, protective. It's just so amazing. So those three, make sure you're not skimping on. Zinc is also anti-inflammatory, so you can find it in oysters. You'll find it in pumpkin seeds, which I love and I consume every single day. Legumes are also really high in zinc. Copper supports collagen production and skin elasticity. Good sources include chocolate, mushrooms, and nuts. And lastly, silica, which you can find in cucumbers and of course in mineral supplements, strengthens connective tissue, which will keep your skin resilient and supple. I'll throw in one last mineral / antioxidant, and that is selenium. You just need 2 Brazil nuts a day to get your daily requirement, and that is integral in protecting your skin from UV damage and oxidative stress. There is a class of minerals that's known as electrolytes, and those are your potassium and magnesium, which helps retain more hydration. And that benefits the skin in a big way. The only way that your skin can stay nice and plump is if it's fully and adequately hydrated. Magnesium also benefits stress management and up to 800 enzymatic functions in our body. But back to that stress management, the more stressed you are, the more gray, the more wrinkles, the more pigmentation. So magnesium is integral every single day in your supplement stack. Magnesium also helps drive hormonal balance, reducing that cortisol, which typically wreaks havoc on the skin. Always nice to know what to do and what to take, but also we need to know what to avoid, because these foods I'm going to talk about, it will deplete you of those precious minerals. It's a mantra, say after me: I will stop or reduce sugar, processed foods, and alcohol. Other important supplements, they're not considered antioxidants or minerals. Those are going to be your creatine and your collagen, and I dedicated a video to that, so make sure to watch that one. Now let's get to advanced longevity supplements. Those are the ones that are really making a huge splash in the longevity sphere, and they are showing so much promise in studies. These target aging at a cellular level, addressing mitochondrial function, DNA repair, and cellular rejuvenation. NMN is a good place to start because it's one of the most powerful supplements for longevity. It's a precursor to NAD. NAD is what boosts energy in our cells. We have NAD, it depletes over time, and when it's gone, we're gone. So we got to promote as much NAD in the body as possible, and NMN does a beautiful job of that. It helps activate sirtuins, and those are the proteins that regulate aging and stress resistance. This makes NMN a game changer in preventing fine lines, aging, and skin sagging. One major cause of aging is glycation, driven by insulin resistance, driven by high carbohydrate and sugar intake. See where I'm going with that? We need to keep that in check. Obviously, minimizing carbohydrate intake is a good place to start. Intermittent fasting is another one, but this video is about supplements that can help us get there, and berberine is what you need to curb that insulin response and support your metabolism. It works by activating AMPK, an enzyme known as your body's metabolic switch. It improves insulin sensitivity, reducing inflammation, 2 major contributors to premature aging. Berberine also improves gut health, which is essential to that very clear, radiant, and glowing skin. The next power supplement is called spermidine, which is a natural polyamine which helps activate autophagy, and trust me, you want to activate it. Autophagy is the body's natural process in which it breaks down all those damaged proteins. It recycles damaged cells, leaving room for cellular repair. This helps prevent cellular aging, reduces oxidative stress, and improves skin quality and vitality. You can find spermidine naturally in certain foods like wheat germ, soybeans, aged cheeses, but supplementation provides a more consistent dose. The next supplement, which I consume a ton of naturally, is called astaxanthin, and that's because I consume a lot of salmon. Astaxanthin is a carotenoid, so anything orange will have some astaxanthin in it. It's what's responsible for the color orange in, let's say, the salmon or a vegetable. It's a very powerful antioxidant that helps increase hydration and skin elasticity. It also acts as an internal sunscreen to help prevent sun damage. So leading up to spring and summer, if you spend a lot of time outside, you want to be consuming your astaxanthin right now. Studies suggest that astaxanthin is 6,000 times more effective in reducing free radicals than vitamin C. And we've been thinking of vitamin C as this powerhouse. Imagine 6,000 times more potent. This makes it hands down one of the best supplements for youthful skin. Here's a nightmare scenario. You could be taking all of these supplements, spending hundreds of dollars on high quality ones, and they're not absorbing into your system whatsoever. So I cannot talk about supplementation and forget assimilation and nutrient absorption, which can only be attained if we have a healthy and balanced gut. If you have leaky gut or gut dysbiosis, no assimilation is happening. You really are just wasting your time and money. So probiotics, L-glutamine, and bone broth are going to be essential to optimize that gut microbiome and help seal that leaky gut. Collagen helps with that as well. That's your insurance policy for optimal nutrient absorption. So for product recommendations, check out thebeautydoctrine.com. That's where I spend so much time curating the very best supplements as well as skincare that's super clean, non-sensitizing, suitable with sensitive skin, all that good stuff. You will find all of my favorites on there. But just quickly here, if you don't have time to hop on thebeautydoctrine.com, I talked about vitamin D and K2, and that's NutriChamp. So that's my top pick. For vitamin C, the ancient nutrition. So as far as the longevity supplements, and those are berberine, spermidine, NMN, astaxanthin, all of those you're gonna find in the Feel Supreme. I adore this brand. I'm so glad I found it finally. I actually ordered it all the way from the UK to add on thebeautydoctrine.com. So check them out. All of them have astaxanthin in them, so you don't need to go out there searching for astaxanthin. So whether you need berberine for management of your blood sugar, or NMN to boost your NAD, and so on, you'll be able to find them on my website. You'll also be able to find my #1 choice for bone broth, collagen powders, you name it. I've said enough. I will link everything in the description below as well. If you have any questions about any of these or how to achieve your best skin naturally with topicals, feel free to let me know in the comment section. Promised you a discount code as well, and that is CLEAN10, all caps, CLEAN 10. And that's my thank you to you for supporting my channel and also for supporting thebeautydoctrine.com. Your support is what enables me to refuse brand sponsorships and continue to bring you non-biased advice. Until the next video, be well, be safe, be beautiful, take care.